Hello there. Welcome to Finverse, the financial universe. In this course, you shall learn the past, present, and possible future of accounting. Firstly, let us understand what accounting is. Accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, reporting, and analyzing the financial transactions of enterprises. This helps the entity make informed decisions, plan, and measure its financial and economic performance. It also helps the entity track its income and expenses. No doubt, accounting and reporting are amongst the key functions of any organization. Accounting involves summarizing, organizing, and presenting the company's operations, financial position, and cash flows for a given period in a concise form. This makes it easier for business owners and other stakeholders to understand the performance of the business. Although there are several accounting fields such as financial, managerial, tax, and cost. Accounting is mainly classified into two groups, namely financial and managerial accounting. Financial accounting focuses on the business performance, whereas managerial accounting helps the management to take decisions regarding their business operations. Ideally, a bookkeeper should perform accounting, and more extensive tasks should be performed by a qualified accountant, such as a chartered accountant or a certified public accountant. They must have in-depth knowledge of accounting standards to ensure that the financials are accurately prepared and presented. Accounting is useful for both internal and external users. Internal users are the owners, directors, and employees. Accounting helps them plan, evaluate, and control the company's operations. Whereas the external users refer to any person other than the internal users who are interested in an entity's financial information, such as creditors, customers, and banks. It helps them make investment decisions and analyze the ability of the company to pay back loans or repay dues for goods and services purchased. Accounting enables easy comparison of financial data across years as it records transaction date-wise. It also provides key information to the management, which aids in making crucial decisions about business operations or expansion. We hope you have enjoyed this lecture. We have got some amazing content in the remaining lectures in this course. Your feedback is valuable and will help us deliver wonderful content every day. Share this link with all of your family, friends, and colleagues. To upskill, interact, and propel your career, be sure to explore Finverse.